pagkakataon that when you do news that's very emotional, hindi ba kayo, wala pang pagkakataon na naiyak kayo?
Oh,
while reporting? Meron.
Meron ako.
Tao ka lang eh.
Yes. Especially pag nasa field, Tito Boy, pag nag-i-interview ka, and then, kasi iba yung napapanood mo na on TV, pero pag nasa field ka, tapos in-interview mo, tapos sa harap mo umiiyak, tapos kinukwento sa'yo yung storya nila. I remember there was this one time yung umiiyak siya kasi yung anak niya nakaburol, tapos wala silang, parang biktima ng krimen. Tapos it was supposed to be, you know, a regular story, crime story. Pero I don't know why yung particular story na yun, yung interview, talagang naantig ako, tapos hindi niya maipaburol na maayos yung anak niya, tapos hindi nila matawagan yung mga kamag-anak nila na nasa probinsya.
Umiyak ka?
Yes, Tito Boy. I mean, pero off-cam.
In the news, hindi bawal magpakita ng emosyon. Hindi kayo pinagsasabihan. Diba? Because you're supposed to be detached. I mean, yun yung, I think, the old notion. As much as possible, you're supposed to be detached from the news. But in instances like this one, how can you not be touched by the story? Diba?
Yes, exactly.
Is that an expressed rule na huwag kang tatawa, huwag kang iyak, huwag kang magagalit, huwag ka... Hindi naman.
Hindi naman po. Pero parang siguro, just to show din na, kasi ayaw din naman natin talaga na parang ando ka sa moment at baka lalo pang umiyak, hindi ba, yung mga na-i-interview. Imbis na mapalakas ng loob, di ba, baka ikaw pa yung pagkunan ng lalong yung emosyon ba na grabe for them to handle.
Okay. So, let's do fast talk first. But ang dami pa nating pag-uusapan. Katulad na lang halimbawa, hindi, but there's a tonal pattern. You know, halimbawa, there's a voice, it's not even modulation, but there's a certain voice na pag sinabi mong news, merong tono. Ang aking katanungan ay, ito ba'y inaaral? Ito ba'y sinasabi sa inyo? Is this something that you actually rehearse? Or is it something that you saw in the past that when you got into the business, you continued to do what you saw? Pero mamaya natin pag-uusapan yan. Yes. We'll have to do fast talk first. Okay, para sa inyong dalawa, we have 2 minutes to do this and our time begins now. For both of you, sa inyong dalawa, sino ang mas marites?
Depende kung sino yung nakauna.
Yes, sino una. Pero isa lang ang source namin.
Sino mas madaldal?
Pareho.
Sino ang mas matatakutin?
Ako.
Sino ang mas makalimutin?
Connie.
Sino ang mas antukin?
Ako.
Sino ang mas maganda?
Ay, si Connie.
Sino ang mas mayaman?
Si Connie.
Sino ang matagal mag-reply?
Siya.
Sino ang madalas mabulol?
Ako.
Napapaisip ako.
Madalas gumimik noon?
Si Connie.
Guilty or not guilty? Nag-duty ng walang ligo.
Ay, guilty.
Guilty or not guilty? Napagalitan ng boss.
Guilty.
Guilty or not guilty? Naaapektuhan sa balita.
Guilty.
Guilty or not guilty? Nagka-crush sa katrabaho.
Wala.
Not guilty.
Not guilty.
Pare-pareho lang naman yung mga nakatrabaho natin.
So wala po.
Hindi, parang nag-alinlangan si Pia. Joke.
Baka mainis sila pag sinabi natin not guilty.
Hindi, not guilty kasi wala talaga.
Guilty or not guilty? Niligawan ng artista.
Not guilty.
Maganda yun.
Hindi naman ligaw.
Gusto ko yung
May nagpadala lang ng bulaklak.
Yun na yun.
Ganun ba yun?
Sino yun?
Guilty or not guilty? Niligawan ng politiko.
Not guilty.
Ayun. Hindi rin ligaw. Yung ano lang po, nagpadala lang again ng bulaklak.
Yun na yun.
Ganun na yun?
Pia, walang load, walang signal.
Walang load.
Pia, saksi, sexy.
Saksi.
Art or science?
Science.
Swimming.
Ay, no, wait. Art. Wait. Both.
Swimming, taekwondo.
Taekwondo.
Pia, angelic face o angelic? Talagang angelic lang.
Angelic na lang.
Okay. Connie, walang tubig, walang kuryente.
Walang kuryente.
Radyo o TV?
Pareho.
Health, wealth.
Health.
Medical, political.
Medical.
Laging handa, laging maganda.
Laging handa.
Both. One word, describe each other as a friend.
Perfect.
Perfect din. Oh.
Pia and Connie, dasal niyo para sa isa't isa.
Ako ang dasal ko para kay Pia is for her to always be happy, to always have peace of mind, and to always be healthy. Ganun din syempre yung kanyang family.
Oh.
Because alam ko kung gaano niya kamahal, of course, yung Mickey, nandyan sila, diba? At ang kanyang hubby. Ayan. So, I wish that the Lord will always guide you
Sweet ni Connie.
and be with you always.
Oh.
Thank you. And my prayer for you, Connie, is na you continue to share your faith kasi si Connie very madasalin yan. And that you continue to touch other people's lives the way that you do now. Dahil lahat na makilala si Connie, paano mo naman siya hindi magugustuhan? Parang how can you not be touched by Connie?
Right.
So I hope that you get to spread that even more. And same happiness for the family.
You work
I love
in
you.